Good day everyone, welcome to our lesson. But before that, allow me to introduce myself. I am Teacher Glenn and I will be your math teacher for this video lesson. Our topic for today is about solving quadratic equations by extracting the square roots. For today's topic, our objective is to solve quadratic equation by extracting the square roots. But before we start our lesson, let us do and answer the warm-up activity. Find each square root. Number 1. Square root of 36. What is the square root of 36? That's correct. It is 6. Number 2. What is the square root of 121? That is correct. Number 3. Negative square root of 625 is equal to what? Very good. It is equal to negative 25. Number 4. What is the square root of 4 over 25? Very good. It is equal to 2 over 5. Solve each equation. Number 5. We have negative 6x is equal to negative 60. To solve the x, simply use the division property and divide both sides by negative 6 and we will get x is equal to 10. Number 6. 1/5 x is equal to 16. To solve this, we can multiply both sides by 5 to get the value of x. And we will get x is equal to 80. Number 7. 2x minus 40 is equal to 0. First, you need to transpose negative 40 on the right side of the equation and it will become positive 40. Divide both sides by 2 and you will get x is equal to 20. Number 8. 5x is equal to 3. To solve the value of x, simply divide both sides by 5 and we will get x is equal to 3 over 5. What is square root property? Square root property. Words. To solve a quadratic equation in the form x squared is equal to a, take the square root of both sides. Numbers. X squared is equal to 15. Square root of x squared is equal to plus or minus square root of 15. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 15. Algebra. If x squared is equal to a and a is a positive real number, then x is equal to plus or minus square root of a. For thorough understanding of the lesson, let us cite examples how to solve quadratic equations by extracting the square roots. Example 1. Solve x squared is equal to 169. Solve using square roots. Check your answer. Solve for x by taking the square root of both sides. Use plus or minus to show both square roots. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 169. And we will get x is equal to plus or minus 13. The solutions are 13 and negative 13. Substitute 13 and negative 13 into the original equation. After substituting 13 to x squared is equal to 169, it is equal. It satisfies the equation. Next, substitute negative 13 to the equation x squared is equal to 169. And it satisfies the equation, meaning we have the correct solutions. Example 2. Solve x squared is equal to 121. Solve using square roots. Check your answer. X squared is equal to 121. Solve for x by taking the square root of both sides. Use plus or minus to show both square roots. And we will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 121. Simplify it further and x is equal to plus or minus 11. The solutions are 11 and negative 11. Substitute 11 and negative 11 into the original equation. After substituting 11 and negative 11 into the original equation, which is x squared is equal to 121, it satisfies the equation. Both 11 and negative 11 satisfy the equations. Example 3. Solve x squared is equal to 0. Solve using square roots. Check your answer. X squared is equal to 0. Solve for x by taking the square root of both sides. Use plus or minus to show both square roots. And we will get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 0. Simplify it further, x is equal to 0. The solution is 0. Substitute 0 into the original equation and we will get an equal equation. It satisfies the equation. Example 4. Solve 16x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Solve using square roots. Check your answer. 16x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Add 49 to both sides. And we will get 16x squared minus 49 plus 49 is equal to 0 plus 49. Divide both sides by 16 and we will get x squared is equal to 49 over 16. Take the square root of both sides, use plus or minus to show both square roots. And we will get x is equal to plus or minus 7 over 4. The solutions are 7 over 4 and negative 7 over 4. Check positive and negative 7 over 4 by substituting it to the original equation. 16x squared minus 49 is equal to 0. Both positive and negative 7 over 4 satisfy the equations. Now, time for evaluation. It is your time to answer the evaluation. Solve the following quadratic equation by extracting the square roots. And check your answer. For the evaluation, you have 10 minutes to complete it. Read and understand the question. Check your answers also. Your timer starts now. Time is up. For number 1, the correct answer is plus or minus 14. For number 2, the correct answer is plus or minus 3/2. And for number 3, the correct answer is negative 16 and positive 2. For your assignment, study and do an advanced reading about our next topic, which is solving quadratic equation by completing the square. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice day. Bye guys!